हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे।
जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगतपते, गोपेश गोपिकांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी, कृष्णानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिये प्रिये। बोलो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की
जय।
श्रीमद् भागवतम की
जय।
कृष्णा। हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू एवरीवन।
हैप्पी नवरात्रि।
आपको भी, आप सभी लोगों को भी।
Yeah, things started yesterday, so this whole week is Navratri. Right? So Hare Krishna Ajay.
Hare Krishna sir.
Hare Krishna Reena ji.
हरे कृष्णा भैया, हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन।
हरे कृष्णा everybody. हरे कृष्णा।
You know, Ajay just coming back from a big marathon this weekend. So he ran the whole marathon, 26 miles. So it's really nice. Ajay, that's great.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll continue with Srimad Bhagavatam, Adhyay 7 and Shlok 15. माता शिशूनां निधनं सुतानां निशम्य घोरं परितप्यमाना, तदा रुद्रद्वाशकलाकुलाक्षी तामसान्तव्यनः किरीटमाली. So Draupadi, the mother of the 5 children of the Pandavas, after hearing the massacre of her sons, began to cry in distress with eyes full of tears. Trying to pacify her in her great loss, Arjun spoke to her thus. Right? So what happened? Right? Draupadi's 5 sons were killed while they were sleeping. Right? So नींदों में 5 पुत्रों को का वध किया गया. किसने किया वध?
अश्वत्थामा।
Ashwathama, right? So this adhyay is for Ashwathama. What happens to him? So in Mahabharata, when that happens, Arjun speaks to Draupadi next. Sumit? Sumit, Dada? Sumit. Okay, Reena ji?
तदा शुचस्ते प्रमृजामि भद्रे, यद् ब्रह्म बंधो शिर आततायेन, गांडीव मुक्तैर्विशिखैरुपाहरे त्वया क्रम्य यत्स्नानस्यसि दग्धपुत्रा. O gentle lady, when I present you with the head of that Brahman, after beheading him with arrows from my Gandiv bow, I shall then wipe the tears from your eyes and pacify you. Then, after burning your sons' bodies, you can take your bath standing on his head.
Ashwathama, yeah, so Arjun is telling Draupadi that I should get him for you. Right? So that's, we have seen this in Mahabharata, and this is what we are reading about, what happens. From Hare Krishna, Shivam, nice to see you. Good. Hare Krishna, Siksham Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Anil Prabhu. Anil.
इति प्रियाम वल्ग विचित्र जल्पे न ससान्त्वयित्वाच्युतमित्रसूतः अन्वाद्रबद्धंशित उग्रधन्वा कपिध्वजो गुरुपुत्रं रथेन. Arjuna, who is guided by the infallible Lord as friend and driver, thus satisfied the dear lady by such statements. Then he dressed in armor and armed himself with furious weapons, and getting into his chariot, he set out to follow Aswathama, the son of his martial teacher. Hare Krishna.
Right. So सबको पता है अर्जुन के गुरु द्रोणाचार्य जी के पुत्र अश्वत्थामा. But now after this incident, Arjun is with his Gandiv is behind Ashwatthama. Okay.
समापतंतम स विलक्ष्य दुरात कुमारहो द्विग नमना रथेन पराद्रवत प्राण परि इसुर्वया यावधर्म रुद्र भया दधा था. Ashwathama, the murderer of the princess, seeing from a great distance Arjuna coming at him with great speed, fled in his chariot, panic-stricken, just to save his life, as Brahma fled in fear from Shiva.
Yeah. So you can see this is being compared, like how the Ashwatthama is running because the Arjun is following him, and that has been compared with Brahma fled in fear from Shiva. Right? Rudra Bhaya, that is Lord Shiva's Bhay, right? Rudra is Lord Shiva, Bhay. So Rudra Bhaya Datha Kahe is Brahma, Kahe is Brahma. So that's how it's being compared. So there are stories how when Brahma fled in fear from Shiva, right? So there are a couple of stories on that. You know, you can read it. Ravi?
यदा शरणं मात्मनं मेक्षत श्रान्तवज्जिनम् अस्त्रं ब्रह्म शिरोमणिने आत्मत्राणं विजातिमजय. When the son of Brahmana Ashwatthama, saw that his horses were tired, he considered that there was no alternative for protection outside of his using the ultimate weapon, the Brahmastra nuclear weapon. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Brahmastra is the ultimate weapon. And Ashwatthama knew how to use it. But let's see what happens. And he had no other choice. So, Ajay?
Sure. अथो पस्पृश्य सलिलं सन्दधे तत्स महितः अजाननपि संहारं प्राणकृच्छे उपस्थिते. Since his life was in danger, he touched water in sanctity and concentrated upon the chanting of the hymns for throwing nuclear weapons, although he did not know how to withdraw such weapons. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? But he knew how to fire it. The nuclear weapon here refers to Brahmastra. He knew how to fire it, but he did not know how to withdraw it. Once it's fired, it's fired, right? But he started chanting to get the Brahmastra going. Rasiksham Prabhu? Rasiksham Prabhu? क्या read this? ततः प्रादुष्कृतं तेजः प्रचण्डं सर्वतो दिशं प्राणापदं विप्रेक्ष्य विष्णुं जिष्णुरुवाचः. Shivam? Shivam?
Yep. Thereupon a glaring light spread in all directions. It was fierce that Arjuna Arjun thought his own life in danger, and so he began to address Lord Sri Krishna.
All right. So, yeah, once the Brahmastra is fired, glaring light all over the place, and Arjun himself is thinking now his life is in danger. And when a devotee thinks his life is in danger, what happens? He starts praying to Lord Sri Krishna. Right? So let's see how Arjun is praying to Lord Sri Krishna. So Arjun was Krishna Krishna Mahabhaho Bhakta Nam Bhayankara Tvameko Dayamana Nama Apvargo Asi Sansrite. Shivam, you want to read again, please?
Arjun said, O my Lord Sri Krishna, you are the almighty personality of Godhead. There is no limit to your different energies. Therefore, only you are competent to instill fearlessness in the hearts of your devotees. Everyone in the flames of material miseries can find the path of liberation in only you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So Arjun is addressing Sri Krishna, isme, right? So you are almighty personality of Godhead. कृष्ण कृष्ण महाभाव. सो ब्रह्मास्त्र जब चल रहा है तो उसे कौन मिटा सकता है, राइट? एंड देयर इज नो लिमिट टू डिफरेंट एनर्जीज, टू लॉर्ड कृष्णा's different energies. Therefore, only Lord Krishna is competent to instill fearlessness in the hearts of your devotees. So when Arjun is fearful, only Sri Krishna can help him out. Mukesh?
त्वमाद्यः पुरुषः साक्षादि अक्त्वरः प्रकृते परा मायां वैदुस्य चिच्कत्य कैवल्यस्थित आत्मनि. You are the original personality of Godhead who expands himself all over the creations and is transcendental to material energy. You have cast away the effects of the material energy by dint of your spiritual potency. You are always situated in eternal bliss and transcendental knowledge.
राइट, so हमने देखा है बार बार श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में, फिर ब्रह्म संहिता में, श्रीमद् भागवतम में, राइट? इट हैज बीन रिटन अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन दैट त्वमादः, राइट, पुरुषः, आदि पुरुषम. They have read this, Adi Purusham. He is the origin of everything, original personality of Godhead. Adi, Anadi, there is no one before him. He is Adi, Sakshadi Ishwara hai. So Sakshat Parmeshwar जो है वो श्री कृष्णा. प्रकृति है पर है, so beyond this world, beyond this universe, right? And you have cast away the effects of material energy by dint of your spiritual potency. So what's happening with the Brahmastra right now, Shutama, it's the whole physical energy. All that effect, right, can be done away by the spiritual potency of Lord Krishna. And then Arjun is saying more that Kevalle Sthit Atmani, right? Always, even though Lord Krishna is right there, he is away from this whole universe. He is always situated in the eternal bliss and transcendental knowledge. So this is how Arjun is praying to Lord Krishna.
So,
Jitendra?
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Can I interrupt for a second?
Sure. Yes, Ajay.
So, I read this in our school days and in Sanskrit book, and that was a shlok from Mahabharata, where Krishna says, Arjun prays to Krishna, saying that Tomadideva Purusha Puranam, Tomasya Vishwasya Param Nidhanam, Vettasi Vedyam Cha Param Cha Dhamam, Tvaya Tatam Vishwananta Rupam.
For reminding, it's been long since I heard this words. Yes, we have read that too.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, go ahead.
That's a nice recitation, Ajay. Thanks for
Thank
that.
you.
Yeah. So we'll continue. Say, let's what Arjun is asking Lord Krishna for. जितेंद्र पढ़ोगे आप?
सएव
स एव
जीवलोकस्य
जीवलोकस्य माया मोहिते सव विद्वतसे स्वेन वीर्यवे श्रेयो धर्मदि लक्षणम्. And yet, though you are beyond the purview of the material energy, you execute the four principles of liberation characterized by religion and so on for the ultimate good of the conditioned souls. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So even though beyond, he still exhibits all these principles for the common souls. Yeah, Anilji?
तथायं चावतारस्ते भुवो भारजिहीर्ष्या स्वानां चानन्यभावानां नुध्यानाय चासकृत्. Thus you descend as an incarnation to remove the burden of the world and to benefit your friends, especially those who are your exclusive devotees and are constantly wrapped in meditation upon you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So, Yam Cha Avataraste, right? So we have seen हमने अध्याय थर्ड अध्याय में देखा था कि there are 24 incarnations. There are so many incarnations, right? Lord Krishna के इतने अवतार हैं, and he incarnates to remove the burden of the world, but to especially benefit his devotees. So it has been said that so Lord Krishna is beyond this whole universe. So why is he partial to his devotees, right? But it's said again and again that he has special mercy, he has special blessings for his devotees. So even though he is impartial, everyone goes through your karmas and the reactions of the karmas, he is especially inclined towards and has special mercy for his devotees, right? So it says very clearly, especially those who are your exclusive devotees and are constantly wrapped in meditation upon you. Arinaji?
किमिदं वित्कुतो वेति देवदेव न वेदम्यहम् सर्वतो मुखमायाति तेजः परम दारुणम्. O Lord of Lords, how is it that this dangerous effulgence is spreading all around? Where does it come from? I do not understand it.
Right. Who is saying this?
Arjun is talking to Sri Krishna.
Right, right. So Arjun is when Aswathama has thrown Brahmastra, dangerous effulgence all around, but Arjun doesn't know what's going on, right? So he's praying to Lord Krishna and he's asking, Lord of the Lords, right? Dev, Dev, and where does it come from? Rasiksham Prabhu?
यस प्रभु जी.
Ah,
श्री भगवान उवाच बेतथे दम द्रोणपुत्रस्य ब्रह्मास्त्रं प्रदर्शितं नैवाशयो वेदं संहारं प्राणबाध उपस्थिते. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Know from me that this is the act of the son of Drona. Son of Drona, he is the humes of nuclear energy, Brahmastra, and he does not know how to retract the glare. He has helped this being afraid of imminent death."
and that, right? So Lord Krishna is now telling Arjuna that Drona Putrasya, which is Aswathama, what he has done? Brahmastram Pradarshitam. So he has thrown Brahmastra. Why? Pranabad Upastite. He thought he cannot escape now from Arjuna. The only way to escape right now is to throw the Brahmastra. So that's what Lord Krishna is telling Arjuna. Ajay?
Sure. Na hatyantritam kijistritam pratyarkarshanam jahasthistrejai unnamdo mastritigyo hastutejasa. O Arjun, only another Brahmastra can counteract this weapon. Since you are expert in the military science, subdue this weapon's glare with the power of your own weapon. Hare Krishna.
Right. So Lord Krishna is now advising Arjuna that Ashwatthama doesn't know how to take it back. Only thing can be done, counteract is with another Brahmastra, which you know how to do that. So go ahead and use that. Jitendra?
श्रुत उवाच श्रुत्वां भगवतां प्रोक्तं फाल्गुनपर्वीरः स्पष्टाद परिक्रम्य ब्रह्मास्त्रने संरचत. The Supreme Goswami said, hearing this from the personality of Godhead, Arjuna touched water for purification, and after circumambulating Lord Shri Krishna, he cast his Brahmastra weapon to counteract the other one. Hare Krishna.
Right. So Sud Goswami ji, ये सुना रहे हैं श्रीमद् भागवतम, right? We know that. नेमी सारण्य के किनारे पे सब ऋषियों को सूद गोस्वामी जी सुना रहे हैं. So he is saying that जब अर्जुन ने ये प्रार्थना करी, Lord Krishna ने जब कहा, तो what did Arjun do? Okay, Falgun is another name for Arjun, right? And then he parikramya. No, so भगवान श्री कृष्ण को परिक्रमा लगाकर what did he do? Brahmastram sandage. So he cast his Brahmastra weapon to counteract the other one. Ravi?
सहन्त्यान्यो भयो तेजसी शरस्वंगते आवृतम रोदसी त्वच्च वर्धाते कर्व वहितवतम. When the rays of two Brahmastra combined, a great circle of fire, like the disk of the sun, covered all the outer space and the whole filament of the planets. Hare Krishna.
All right, so just think about what's going on in the universe. Two Brahmastra combined. Right? So what's going on? We only have 3 minutes left, so we are going to stop here. Anyone, any comments? Any? Siksham Prabhuji, anyone?
हाँ प्रभु जी.
Any comments?
यहाँ पर ब्रह्मास्त्र का जिक्र है. प्रभुपाद जी उसको ब्रैकेट में न्यूक्लियर वेपन लिखते हैं. रिपोर्ट में प्रभुपाद जी लिखते हैं कि जो ब्रह्मास्त्र है आजकल का जो न्यूक्लियर वेपन है उससे बहुत ज्यादा शक्तिशाली है. वो पूरा क्रिएशन को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है, लेकिन वह मंत्र से चलता है. वी कैन कंट्रोल इट थ्रू मंत्रा. उसको एक बार छोड़ने के बाद हम लोग विड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अश्वत्थामा ऐसा करना नहीं जानते थे. और ब्रह्मास्त्र लेने के टाइम में यह शपथ दिलाया जाता था कि आप उसको ह्यूमैनिटी की रक्षा के लिए ही करोगे, लेकिन अश्वत्थामा ने गलत प्रयोग किया है, स्वरक्षा के लिए किया है. प्रभुपाद जी पॉवरपॉइंट में इसको लिखते हैं.
Right. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you. So I think we have 2 more minutes. So we are going to listen to a very beautiful bhajan. We are not going to complete it, but we'll continue it tomorrow. But we'll hear it for first 2 minutes. And this is a simple prayer. Hey Prabhu Mujhe Bata Do. And this is sung by the students of a girls' school near Vrindavan in Barsana Dham, near Gokul. Okay. So they run this school, and we will hear the bhajan from them. And here for 2 minutes, we'll continue tomorrow.
प्रभु